1040A, 1040E, itemizing W-2s. This stuff can be so confusing.
Look, don't worry about it. I happen to know that Sean just did a report on getting your taxes done. Let's check it out.
Tax season is upon us, with the due date of April 15th fast approaching. Talking with McNeese students, it's clear what the strategy for most is.
My dad does it for me.
My mom with H&R Block.
I'll be sending them to my parents, and they'll take care of them for me.
My parents.
Whether doing it locally or mailing it off, many have decided to let their experienced parents handle their taxes. Remember to make copies of all your tax documentation, just in case. But there are some other options available as well, including doing them yourself. Tax forms can be found at the Frazar Memorial Library. Just after passing through the front doors, a table under the bulletin board has several different forms and booklets. But making sense of all the documents can be a daunting task when starting out. That's why Inside McNeese went to someone with experience getting to the bottom of a story. Local anchorman John Bridges for KPLC 7 News helped us to understand the difference between a 1040 and a 1040EZ.
Basically, when you first start with a 1040EZ, it's easy. You just get together a few of your W-2s and add it up, and that's it. You know, as you get into the 1040, you start getting deductions. That's maybe if you get married or if you buy a house, you've got a few more deductions that you can claim. Then it starts getting complicated if you're in your own private business or if you do things on the side other than your main job. That's when I decided to go ahead and go to a CPA and let them sort it out.
Whoa, slow down there, Dr. Bridges. What exactly is a CPA?
CPA is Certified Professional Accountant. They're kind of the upper end of a tax preparer, I guess you would say.
While many students won't need a CPA now, they may down the line. And we heard from another student about a high-tech option.
This year I'm going to be using TurboTax like I did last year. It's all online.
TurboTax is a program that can be purchased at various stores with a price range of $30 to $110. It's also available at turbotax.com with similar prices. It's called e-filing, and now almost every tax service offers it, including the Internal Revenue Service. Some students mention using H&R Block in the future. When going to hnrblock.com, it has online services for prices ranging from $20 to $100 and a free Federal Edition package. When Inside McNeese called a local H&R Block about their prices, we were informed that prices could only be determined during an actual meeting with an accountant. Lake Charles houses several independent tax accounting services. Lisa's accounting service offers a face-to-face meeting to discuss how to get the most money out of your taxes. Owner Lisa Ross explained how her prices depend on the situation.
The students that, if their parents are claiming them, if they make less than $2,500, I don't charge for the students. Anything over that is anywhere $10 to $15. If the students are on their own, it can, my prices start at around $45.
Once completed, Lisa says the easiest way to get your money is through direct deposit. It's free and will be deposited within 10 to 14 days. If you want a check, there will be a fee and a longer wait. If you want to know more about Lisa's business, check out her website at www.lisasaccountingservice.com. At the bottom of the page, there's a countdown to the due date for tax completion. But she says the IRS will work with those who are having some problems in paying their taxes. Not dealing with the IRS would be a bad idea, however.
You have to totally ignore the Internal Revenue Service to go to jail. They're user-friendly. They will work with you.
Be it through parents, by yourself, online or offline, it's time to get those taxes done. And for many people, the sooner it's done, the sooner you get that refund. But be careful. This is an example of a phony email claiming to come from the IRS. It promises a bonus refund and asks for users to click on a link to fill out personal information. It's called phishing with a PH, and it's the cause of many stolen identities. The IRS's webpage has tips on how to protect you and your identity from theft. One of the best ways is to spot the fakers. Many emails try to look as authentic as possible, using logos and graphics similar to the IRS's webpage. But the IRS would never ask you to fill out personal information through an email. To be safe, never trust an email asking for either your social security number or your credit card number. Be safe, and thanks for watching. For Inside McNeese, I'm Sean Herndon.